Just doing the Rubik's Cube here. Make some content for my Rubik's Cube viewers. But basically the Rubik's Cube is that easy. There's only 7 sequences past the first layer. I mean, you can't really do, how many videos can you do making 7 sequences look interesting? You can't, can you? See, I no longer bother anymore trying to do it fast. I just do the Rubik's Cube. Probably do about 2 layers in this. If that. I'm getting slower at the cube now all the time. There you go. Almost 2 layers, just like